Hey, good day from down under. Hey, it's Janet and Gareth in Brisbane, and it's sunset. I don't know if you can tell if you look around there, and this is Kangaroo Point Cliffs Park. And I guess the park is actually down there, and there's some stairs we're going to pass if you want to go down there. And that's like downtown Brisbane there, I would call it. We're on the south bank. So we're going to take a little walk along the cliffs here. And they are cliffs, right? They're bats! Big bats! Did you see that? So they rappel or climb these cliffs, you know, and then people play music along here and they barbecue and party, everything else. But I thought that was an owl when I saw it the first time, but it's a bat, and it's the biggest bat I ever saw up close, except maybe in the zoo. Yes, I've seen bats in the wild. Anyway. They have rental schooners, they have kids. I don't know if the kids are for rent or not. This guy trying to take a picture. Hi! He stopped to let me pass. So I passed. I'm going to slow down so Janet can catch up. See, there's like a pavilion down there. See it? People sitting on the rocks down there along the river.
It's like a week ago.
By the way, this is the Brisbane River. And if you follow it out to the ocean, that's where the cruise terminal is, the International Cruise Terminal. So in a couple of days, we're getting on the Carnival Luminosa. We're spending a couple of nights here in Brisbane. At the Point Brisbane Hotel, which is over there somewhere. This is, there's another bat. This is Kangaroo Point that we're on. There's another bat. We were here last year, and we stayed in a hotel up on the other side of the river there, and we walked extensively through that neighborhood. Went up in the clock tower. You can see our videos on our YouTube channel, Brisbane. So, remember I said there were stairs down? They're going down now. See that? They go down. We're not going down today. We just ate at Joey's, and Kylie was our waitress, and she's originally from San Diego. I noticed that she did not sound like an Australian. Anyway, I'm thinking this is the Anzac Memorial, like I said back on that sign. Another person working there was Jasmine from Napoli, Italy. So we're gonna go inside. I thought they would have these lights on, but apparently not. But you can go inside this thing. See that? There are not stairs down at this point, but I can hang the camera out over here. down there, you see a lighted trail. See that? Little kayaks. Nighttime kayak ride. And another bat. This might be another stairway up. Just another walkout. We're not going to walk out on it. Walk out, overlook, balcony. What would you call it?
Look at it.
That's a bird. So the river is lined with these on this side. And it goes all the way up to the Story Bridge. And that's the end of the point. And if you want to go further, you got to cross the bridge. Get on the other side.
And if you're doing, you can walk on the top of the bridge.
Yeah, they do tours where you go up along the top of the bridge. You're walking. So here the park gets a little bigger. There's a playground over there. It's the sun's gone down. The video I'm looking at looks pretty clear and pretty bright, but it's dark out here. Yeah. So Janet wants to know now what, and she's about to find out. Of course, across the Story Bridge is Felon's Brewery and restaurant. So from Brisbane, Australia,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Gareth.
And we'll see you in the next port.
Bye!
Bye.
So this is St. Mary's Anglican Church. Right here, the singing inside.